deer, boys. The friggin' deer in the Pickerhead. Where are they? Eating? What? All over the place. Check out what John the Picker found, boys. Look at all the friggin' deer. What? Busting ass. Ass is up. I don't know what to do. Check these cats out, ladies and gentlemen. Found some more deer. You count them. What? I could make a hunting show. Hunting with John the Picker. Which one you want? Not at Manning's anymore. What? Even more deer? It's like an outdoors channel on the Vicker Show. Johnny's here.